Good Morning Snore Solution is a doctor-recommended stop snoring mouthpiece developed by top sleep researchers. Clinically proven, it's comfortable and easy to use. Here's how it works. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth between your lips and front teeth. It can also be worn with or without dentures. Squeeze the tip of the mouthpiece with your thumb and first finger while sucking the air out. Push the tip of your tongue into the end of the mouthpiece and release your thumb and finger. This will create a seal that gently holds everything in place. Now relax your tongue and fall asleep. Your Good Morning Snore Solution mouthpiece might take a few tries before you can keep it in for an entire night. Remember, practice makes perfect. Cleaning is easy. Just use cold water and a denture cleaning tablet or solution from your local pharmacy. Visit goodmorningsnoresolution.com to try the Good Morning Snore Solution anti-snoring mouthpiece risk-free for 30 days.